Please keep your hands inside the boat at all times and remain seated.
Yeah.
Peekaboo, I wake you.
You haven't.
For your safety, please keep your hands inside the boat at all times and remain seated. Thank you. For your safety, please keep your hands inside the boat at all times and remain seated.
And I only remembered about the octopus. Daddy, I'm hungry.
It's alright.
Oh no, I hate this bit.
For your safety, please keep your hands inside the boat at all times and remain seated.
It's raining. Oh no, my Maxwell.
It's alright.
Mine too. Mine too.
It's alright, isn't it?
Without the
For your safety, please keep your hands inside the boat at all times and remain seated.
Ready?
Thank you.
I